Hello everyone, I'm Lily, and welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making sweet and sour ribs. Cut up the ribs and clean thoroughly. Don't make them too big to ensure the inside is well seasoned. It's best to soak the ribs in fresh water for an hour. But if you are in a rush, you could also add in some starch and massage them in the water with the ribs. This way, it takes away the blood and the gaminess from the ribs. Do so for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse the ribs to get rid of the starch. Get a pot of cold water and add in the ribs to blanch. It's important to use cold water here because it will wash away the blood completely. Once the water comes to a boil, the ribs can be taken out and cleaned to await for use. Let's make the sauce first. These are the ingredients we'll need today. Pour in the Chinese black vinegar, cooking wine, dark soy sauce, regular soy sauce, and white vinegar into the measuring cup. And add in 8.5 ounces of water. That's it for the sauce. In addition, prepare a few slices of ginger and white green onion. Separate the white and green and slice the green. Heat up the pan. Add in about a tablespoon of oil. Stir fry the ribs. Give it 1 to 2 minutes till the surface turns a little bit golden. Then add in the sugar. Adding sugar at this step gives the ribs a better color, making it brighter and more appetizing. Stir fry until the ribs are golden brown. Add in the sauce we made earlier. Toss in the ginger and the white part of the green onion. Put the lid on and turn down the heat to low after it comes to a boil. Let it cook for 30 minutes. After which, take the lid off and turn the heat to high to reduce. After there is a significantly less liquid, add in more black vinegar. Because during cooking, a lot of vinegar burned off and we want to add back some of sour flavor. Add in the sesame, stir evenly, and it is ready to serve. This seemingly complex dish is actually pretty easy to make. It's usually gone within seconds in our household. Let's try it first before my family finish it. Alright, that's it for today. Please subscribe if you like my content. I will see you next time.